attract your crush or catch his attention without talking to him, you should master the art of silent attraction. Sometimes silence speaks louder than any conversation could. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly what to do, not just what to think about, to catch and keep his attention without saying a single word. These aren't just theories. These are real actions you can take right now. Listen closely, because what I'm about to share in this video isn't just about getting his attention. In fact, it's more about embracing your feminine energy and carrying yourself with such magnetic confidence that he can't help but be drawn to you. But before I proceed, I want to ask you something important. If you're tired of surface-level dating advice and ready for real, authentic strategies that actually work in building lasting relationships with men, then this channel is for you. Hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. Every week, I share powerful insights on understanding men, building genuine connections, and becoming the kind of woman who naturally attracts the right partner. Don't miss out on future videos about mastering the art of lasting love. Now let's dive into today's topic on attracting your man without talking. First, master the power of eye contact. Think about this. Your eyes can tell stories that words never could. When you spot him across the room, hold his gaze for just 2 or 3 seconds, no more, no less. Then look away with a gentle smile playing on your lips. That brief moment creates mystery, leaving him wondering about the woman behind those enchanting eyes. Remember, you're not staring, you're creating intrigue. Second, let's talk about your hair. Ladies, your hair isn't just part of your appearance, it's a powerful tool of attraction. When he's nearby, casually run your fingers through your hair or twirl a strand while you're focused on something else. It's not about being obvious, it's about appearing naturally alluring. This subtle movement draws attention to your feminine features and shows you're comfortable in your own skin. Third, master the art of proximity. The space between two people tells a story of its own. Position yourself near him naturally. Maybe reach for coffee at the same time or pass by his desk with purpose. But here's the key: never linger. Your presence should be like a gentle breeze, noticed but not overwhelming. Let him feel your energy without being obvious about it. Fourth, mirror his energy. When he crosses his arms, wait a few moments and naturally adjust your position similarly. If he leans forward while talking to others, subtly do the same. This creates an unconscious bond, making him feel connected to you without understanding why. But remember, subtlety is your best friend. You're not copying, you're connecting. Fifth, own your posture. Stand tall, shoulders back, head high. Your posture speaks volumes about your self-worth. When he's around, maintain that queen-like stance, but soften it with a slight lean forward if he's speaking. This shows both confidence and interest, a deadly combination that men find irresistible. You're not just standing, you're commanding presence. Sixth, radiate joy. Engage in activities you genuinely enjoy when he's nearby. Share authentic laughter with friends, immerse yourself in a book, or simply enjoy your coffee with a content smile. Joy is magnetic. When a woman is genuinely happy and engaged in her world, men can't help but notice. You're not performing, you're living your best life. Seventh, move with intention Every step you take should be purposeful. When you walk past him, maintain a steady, confident pace. Let your favorite perfume leave a subtle trail. Your movement should tell him you're going somewhere important, living a life full of purpose. You're not just walking. You're making an entrance and exit that leaves him wanting more. Here's the truth. These techniques aren't about changing who you are. They're about amplifying your natural feminine energy and presence. When you master these silent signals, you create an aura of mystery and confidence that's far more powerful than words could ever be. Remember, the goal isn't just to catch his eye. It's to be so authentically confident in your own skin that he's naturally drawn to your energy. You're not chasing, you're attracting. You're not trying, you're being. Take these 7 tools and make them your own. Practice them until they feel natural, until they become part of who you are. Because when you carry yourself with this level of silent confidence, you don't just impress one man. You become magnetic to everyone around you. The power of nonverbal communication has been proven time and time again. It's not about what you say, it's about the energy you project. Master these techniques and watch as the dynamic between you and him transforms into something magnetic and undeniable. So go ahead, try these strategies. Next time you see him, don't worry about what to say. Focus on what to do. These 7 moves are your silent weapons of attraction. Use them wisely, use them well, and watch how quickly he notices. Now it's your turn. Which of these 7 techniques will you try first? Leave a comment below. Want to discover how to make any man emotionally addicted to you, so you're the only woman on his mind forever? Check out the link in the description. It reveals a simple formula that can make any man obsessed with winning your love, even if he's pulling away from you. And the craziest part is that this one secret obsession is the key to capturing a man's love, attention, and lifelong devotion, yet hardly one woman in 1,000 even knows it exists. Once you understand this, you'll ignite such a deep, burning desire in the man of your choice that you'll truly become the most important person in his life. Check out the link right now. And if this video touched something deep inside you, take a second to hit that like button. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. Subscribe for more empowering content like this and hit that notification bell, because we're diving deep into more raw, honest conversations about love, relationships, and understanding the male psyche in ways that can transform your relationship forever. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.